Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
I work for Saptagiri Packaging. This is a printing and packaging company.
And are you
Uh,
from?
I'm from Mumbai,
Okay, that's
but
perfect.
our factory is in Silvassa, Dadar and Nagar
Okay.
Haveli.
Yeah.
Uh, our main business is to supply printing and packaging product to other companies. We supply blister cards to Colgate. Our
Huh.
main supplier is Colgate and
Wow.
Pidilite, Godrej. Uh, we are
You.
also exporting since last year. We are also exporting to three countries: Nigeria. Now we are exporting to Kenya and Mauritius.
Wow, that's perfect.
Hmm. So this webinar was sent to me by my director.
Oh.
He suggested because I am looking after accounts also and in exports also.
Huh.
So to coordinate with the CHA and everything, uh, firstly I was little bit trouble. I was facing little bit trouble in this, but later on I got some knowledges, and from this webinar, most of my queries are being cleared.
Actually, that's
Thank
perfect. My
you.
pleasure.
Thank you for that, sir.
Thank you so
Mm,
much.
yeah, and in future I'll connect to you, sir.
Definitely for
Any problem.
any kind of
Yeah,
the query. Yeah. Best
yeah,
of luck, sir, and
yeah.
मिलते हैं वापस फिर कभी भी. Yeah.
Yes.